Okay, we're looking at a highlight video basically of MLB pitchers pitching. And as we all know, major league pitchers and any pitchers really in any age, they are using a lot of their arm, a lot of their body, but a lot of their arm. Many of them are throwing many pitches, either at games or both at games and at practice. So it's very important, and it's extremely important, especially with young pitchers and young athletes, that you rest your arm and as well treat your arm, because you usually only have one throwing arm, and to avoid injury and to have just better health overall, it's good to recover and treat your body well. One of the things that pitchers will do, uh, usually right after they've thrown, is they will ice their arm. And obviously, this is for any type of interior swelling. We know that ice is good for inflammation. But after you ice, it's important to use heat as well. And what this gentleman right here is showing us is an apparatus that he puts around his throwing arm. Again, this is at a recovery phase rather. So he has this apparatus which he puts around his arm, around his shoulder here, and it's going to use heat to apply to the area. And this is very important not only for pitching and for baseball, but it's important with pretty much all types of sports, especially any type of sports that, exert any type of energy into any certain area of the body, or or a lot of part of the body. It's very important that we use any type of recovery method that we can. And so, again, in the sport of baseball, it's very important to use ice and heat. And this is a good way that heat can be used in the game of baseball.